hate how people are becoming Tate McRae fans just because she's popular now. Like, I've had so much history with being her fan. In 2020, I would listen to You Broke Me First on repeat while acting out edits and stuff to me, and this guy I met on Minecraft and had a crush on until he said he dated his cousin. And in 2023, during my pick me girl phase, I acted like I hated her, but I always secretly loved her and still listened to her music. I genuinely love her so much, and she's so attractive. Like, Angle, I would low-key be lesbian for her greater than underscore. Nobody from my school knows her like I do. Like, I never hear them talk about her ever, but they went to her concert, and it's the same person who I was jealous of for her always talking about Sabrina Sadface. Rant over Eeg, I just want people to actually like artists and not only like them BC. They're popular sad face.